Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. We are doing something simple and easy, but we'll clean up the Civic over here. We're going to do a simple antenna delete. This is not hooked up to my radio, so I decided just to get rid of it because I don't listen to the radio. And this is what you'll need. You'll need 2 new screws, or you can use the ones that you have, but I'm missing one. But here's the part number for that. Here's the gasket and the radio delete, the antenna delete, right there. So this will be simple and easy. Let's just get this done, and we can see how it looks. Simple, just take the screws out here. Like I said, I only have one of them. And like I said, mine was already unplugged, but you'll have to go under the dash if yours isn't, just to unplug it. Really simple. Let me clean this off. Kobe. Dang. Okay. You don't throw the pieces around. You got this rubber gasket. See how it goes. Probably like that. And you got your block off plate. Sits right in there. And then you get your screws. This was a pretty simple kit you can just get on eBay. I think that's where I got it. I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can pick this up. Usually they sell it as a set, or you can just go to your dealership and buy it from them. But usually dealers have it on eBay for a lot cheaper, and that's what I usually get. Just like that. OEM antenna delete. I think that looks really good. And then if you need to unplug your antenna, I think this one reaches all the way to the radio, but you'll just have to follow the line. It comes under here and goes to the back of your radio. Which I had this aftermarket one and was never plugged in. One last look. I'll leave all the part numbers down in the description below. Also I'll leave a link to where you can pick up the full kit, all 4 pieces that you need: the 2 screws, the gasket, and the plate. But before I end this video, today is Wednesday. It's D&D quick release giveaway. I'll announce the winner on Sunday. So I'll leave a link to that video on how to get in on this giveaway down in the description below. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment anything down below. Until next time, peace out. So this will be a real simple video. Let's explain what to do and get it done. So let's get this done. Because I say done, dun 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 a lot. Done, dun 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 dun, pow, dun dun dun, yeah.